Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix virtual disk service error. Clean is not allowed on the disk containing the current boot. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Press Shift and F10 keys to get command prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type select disk 0. Type clean. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.